Chef Raul. Hi, Chef Raul! Chef Raul! Hi, Chef Raul!
Hi, Raul.
Hello, Chef Raul. Chef.
Hi, Chef.
Hi, Chef. You know, marami na tayong pinagsamahan, ang saya-saya mo kasama, pag may problema ko, lagi ka na dyan, mamimiss talaga kita. We will miss you. Remember those days sa ating superstar Leo moments. Mamimiss ko rin yun. I'll miss your cookies, your pastries, lahat. Especially you.
Huwag mong pababayaan sa at tsaka, alam mo naman, marami tayong pinag-chismisan. Secret natin yun.
Definitely we're going to miss you. We're going to miss that ensaymada dulce de leche. Kapag gumagawa ng chef, sa kagabi pa, wala. Basta alis ka. Well, in a way, miss kita. Thank you sa paggawa ko ng cake ni Ate. Sobrang bakit. Maraming natin sa ginawa ko.
It's very big for us to let you go. We have to say yes to you because we cannot afford you anymore. Anyway, good luck on your job and what you're going to do after GSTA.
Well, ito na yung delay mo na matagal mo nang inaantay. Okay? So, ito lang ang aking mensahe for you is that for you to move on and for you to keep getting along with others, lalo na medyo malayo-layo yan sa Jeddah, is always see the good in others. Okay? And be happy when God answers your prayers, but be happier when God makes you the answer to their prayers. Be a channel of blessing to others as you are. You are a blessing to us.
We shall be missing you. I wonder how bread and pastry would be without you. You have been an inspiration to the team. We had won awards because of you.
Really unfortunate that you are leaving us. However, you have a lot of potentials naman, and you're actually one of GSTA's best chefs and one of the best chefs I have ever knew while I was on board. So, good luck to you, Chef. I know with your talent and your skills and your being brilliant, there is a big world ahead that awaits you.
Good luck po sa pagpunta niyo na Jeddah. I hope maging maganda yung stay niyo doon.
Nakayos naman, paalis ka na agad. Pero kahit din pa man, I wish you the best. Galingan mo doon and syempre pagbalik mo, I'm sure malaki na yung GST.
Basta, keep in touch sa katulog na lang.
Good luck to sa tapos keep in touch sa Facebook and hope you experience find that happiness again sa pagkakasyon ko. Kapag nakabakasyon na, don't forget that this is us. Whatever it is, because of the past, that things of the past.
Huwag mo kami kalilimutan, ha? If you ever become a millionaire na, a year from now or two, drop by ka naman dito, tumustahin kami, ha? But then again, it was really a pleasure to get to know you and to experience your talent at yung galing mo sa pagluluto and for the desserts, yan.
We all wish you good luck in your endeavors.
Good luck. All the best. Saan ka man mapunta. Wherever you are, wherever you see my name, all the best. So wherever you are, wherever you're going, I wish you all the luck.
We will miss you.
Yan. Thank you very much, Chef, and see you whenever I see you.
Ngayon nga pala, may tanong si Abema. Damo ko ano yun. Why only now? Thank you. Bye. Joke lang yun. Ingat kang lagi, Chef.
Bye-bye, Chef.
Hope to see you again.